Hello guys, this is the latest update from Supreme Court which came in yesterday. The extra attempt which was being told and discussed since many months now, that is not going to be there. Okay, that is what we conclude from the latest decision. But however, students can still hope when the notification comes out, which is yet to come. February 10 was the date when UPSC 2021 notification should have ideally come, but because of this issue going on, UPSC have delayed it, and students who are going on asking me like when it will come, more than what is there in the public domain, nobody can tell you. Okay, so please don't ask very silly questions like, sir, can you take a guess like when it will come? Can you just have an assumption? Why should we assume when UPSC clearly have told in their website itself in the home page that it will come out in due course of time? Okay, the reason is this only. Okay, this is going on, no extra attempt. Supreme Court reverse earlier decision. So earlier decision, if you have not seen, it's not a decision actually, but what was discussed. Okay, the main issue is UPSC aspirants argued that due to the coronavirus pandemic, a lot of students could not give their best during the exam last year and thus deserve another chance to appear for the prelims 2021. Okay, so they feel like not only if it's like last attempt, even if it was the fourth attempt, fifth attempt, they could not give it properly, so give an extra attempt. So that was not very like having a good stand, a good legal support of their whatever prayer they did through this petition. So on 25th January 2021, the center had told like it will not be provided. Okay, I'm just doing this fast because I've already discussed in the previous video. So would not be provided, and it's not in favor of giving another chance. Okay, because it will lead to cascading effect. This is what center told on 25th February 2021. Okay, so then whether this has happened in the past, like whether extra attempt can be given, it has happened, but that was for some other reason. Okay, because the pattern changed or not, there was a relaxation given in 1992 and 2015. Then timeline of event, we have discussed this earlier also, but because some people are new to this preparation, prelims 2020, it happened in October, which was ideally happening in May. Okay, it was postponed and students were given ample time to prepare. So these many students appeared, then mains happened in January now, and then again these many people are shortlisted. So interview will be there in the coming months, and then 2021 notification, which was expected on February 10, will now be coming out because yesterday Supreme Court gave the final thing. So it will come out this week, mostly maybe today or tomorrow. We can wait for that. And the date will be 2021 June 27. This is what is mentioned in the UPSC website. The last update which came on February 5, for which I made a video, Center and UPSC agreed to grant extra chance to candidates who had last attempt in October 2020 and not age barred as one-time relaxation. The one-time relaxation will benefit over 3,300 students without even increasing the age limit. Okay, this one, if you have to understand, you should know the age limit criteria of UPSC. Okay, like general category, you know, it is like 32, and OBC it is 35, SC is 37, and number of attempts will be 6, 9, and unlimited. Okay, so that is how it is. So if like suppose 2020 exam when you gave, if your age was 31 and you are giving your sixth attempt, your general category, okay, that means your attempt is over, but you still have the age. So you will be given an extra attempt in 2021, so that your age is 32 now, and you can give us a seventh attempt, and it was allowed as per the February 5 decision. Okay, but what happened is those who were giving petition, they again argued it. Okay, they told it's not enough. They wanted, like suppose your age was 32 last year, still you wanted an attempt at the age of 33. So that was what the argument came up. Okay, that's why Supreme Court told we need more time. So we see here these were some conditions laid out by center. Okay, same thing. It's about the age. It's whatever you read all this. The final conclusion is this only. What I explained here in this right side. Okay, age bar will be there. They cannot give a person attempt if your age is 33 in general category or 36 in OBC or 38 in SC. That is not allowed. But if your age is within the limit and your attempt is exhausted, we will still give an extra attempt. That is what center told. Okay, this is the last video's update. Now, February 24, 2021, that is yesterday, no extra chance for UPSC exam, meaning whatever was given also is now cancelled, I believe. Okay, that's what we conclude from the judgment. The judgment was a very lengthy one, so I gathered information from multiple newspapers, and I'll show you the screenshots also. The Supreme Court dismisses plea of last attempt civil service candidate. The center had initially made an offer to give an extra attempt subject to the age bar, which I explained in the last video. However, the petitioners argued for age relaxation as well. Thereafter, the bench decided to hear the case on merit. Okay, so this is what happened. They told February 8th we will tell, 10th we will tell, so it kept on going, and now it is 25th. Okay, when the center decided to provide a one-time relaxation to candidates who were not age barred, it has been opposed by the petitioners on the ground that excluding those who were age barred was discriminatory. Okay, so it's like again discrimination, because you will give a chance to some 3000 people but you will not give chance to others. So they again, the petitioners, they again argued it. So that is why now both have been taken away. Okay, at least if they have not argued again, at least these people would have got. But again, it is like partial treatment, so we cannot take stance. Okay, we cannot take sides like who is right or who is wrong. The judgment states that while what is prayed by the petitioners in the first blush appears to be attractive, but it lacks legal strength and foundation for various reasons. Okay, so this is like good statements which may be helping you in your exams and all. That's why I just quoting Supreme Court. Okay, Center and Supreme Court, age limits prescribed can in no case be relaxed. So okay, so in age related thing, how much ever you argue or how much ever students go or more and more petition comes, it is not going to change. Okay, age limit, they are not going to give a chance for a person who is 33 or 36 or 38 in different categories. Okay, they are not going to give. The court has found in the submission of the petitioners and noted that all attemptees, irrespective of the nature of attempts, must have faced the same consequences as a result of the pandemic, and consequently it would be advisable to avoid any concession that is not envisaged by the rules. Okay, they are telling everybody are uniformly affected. Judicial review of policy decision and issuing mandamus to frame policy in a particular manner are absolutely different. Okay, so now if you don't know what is mandamus, either read from Lakshmikant textbook or my next chapter will be on that only. Okay, about fundamental rights and all these things, it will be there. The court has held that while it is within the realm of the executive to take a policy decision based on the prevailing circumstances for better administration and in meeting out the exigencies, but at the same time, it is not within the domain of the court to legislate. Therefore, in the given situation, no assistance can be claimed by the petitioners in seeking mandamus to the center to come out with a policy granting relaxation. Okay, so there is no way that court can do anything when the age thing, like center is telling like age cannot be relaxed. Okay, so that is why it is telling it's not, it does not have the authority to give that legislation. So these are again some snapshots which concludes the same thing. Further, it has been observed that what is being claimed and prayed for under the guise of COVID-19 pandemic is nothing but a lame excuse in taking additional attempt to participate in the civil service examination to be held in the future. The data furnished to this court by the Commission clearly indicate that various selections have been held by the Commission for the central services. If this court shows indulgence to few who had participated in the examination in 2020, it will set down a precedent and also have a cascading effect on examinations in other streams, for which we are decided to exercise plenary powers under Article 142 of the Constitution. Article 142 is a thing which prelims and mains both questions has come. So please see to it that you know what is Article 142, because why I'm telling is these words like mandamus, Article 142, these are related to your UPSC and it is in news. Okay. And then if it comes in exam and if you don't get that marks, that means you are not at all preparing properly for your exam. Okay, this exam is not about the books which you read. Okay, how much ever books or coaching notes you read, if you don't know what comes in news, then you are not going to clear this exam at any cost. So please go and revise what is mandamus and what is Article 142. Solely providing relaxation to candidates who are not age barred is discriminatory. Okay, as I told, if they give that half thing, like 3,300 students alone based on the age thing, then that will be again discriminatory. So I think Supreme Court now is telling, now we are not giving attempt for anyone. Okay, nobody has an extra attempt. Then this one again, in the last time also they told life has to move on in COVID. Okay, so this I don't think it's very important for you, but they're telling the same thing. Okay, it has to move on, and then Supreme Court has dismissed the writ petition. This is the final conclusion. At the final hearing, this is the person, okay, Solicitor General, he appeared for the center and made submission, and he told the same thing. Okay, candidates were given sufficient time, because people are telling that we did not get time. An exam which was supposed to happen in May was pushed to October, so there itself you got 5 months. And also UPSC is not something where you start preparing in May or in October. You should have started at least 1 year back or 2 year back. That's how. UPSC is not an exam which you prepared the last minute. Okay, these are again statements told by the this person. Okay, I'm not quoting it by myself. And so if we give extra attempt like that, then it will lead to an endless cycle, and so we should not be giving it. So the way in which the argument happened in the court, it was favoring center, and that is why the decision has come out like this. So still you can wait for the notification to come out. Please go and check the UPSC website every time. Now in front of you, okay, let's go and simply refresh the UPSC website again one more time. This is the website. So if you just refresh it, because any moment the notification can come. Okay, so we see in the home page, the scrolling is going on. The prelims 2021, including the Forest Service 2021, shall be conducted as per already declared schedule. Okay, that is when it is on 27/6/2021, that is June 27 2021. So there is no change in that, whatever argument or delay is happening. Detailed notification for CSE 2021 and the Forest Service 2021 shall be published in due course. So it's there in the home page itself. You don't even have to search anything. Then still people are telling like, we don't know any update, I can't find the notification. You will not find the notification obviously because it's mentioned here. Aspirants are advised to keep visiting the UPSC website for latest update. So please see to it that you are not only doing this bookish study and following your coaching or your mentor, you have to yourself go and explore. Okay, go and click the UPSC website at least once. Then you will not ask this question. I'm telling this because at least 15 to 20 students have asked in the last 1 week, sir, please tell me when will the notification come. First check once in the UPSC website and then go and raise a query. Okay. So that's it, and the next lecture will be polity lecture. I'm preparing here that only, but as I told, without the ample number of comments, we will not be doing it. So I'll come with the next video soon. Thank you and have a nice day.